Welcome to the Riskwiser Zone, the podcast where we dive into the world of finance, explore the latest trends, and help you make informed decisions about your investment. I'm your host, Louie, and I'm excited to have you join me today. We're starting off with a fascinating story that's been making waves in the financial community. You may have heard that China is actively promoting its currency, the yuan, as a global alternative to the US dollar. This effort is part of a broader strategy to reduce the country's reliance on the greenback and increase its influence in international trade. According to recent reports, China has been expanding the range of tradable futures contracts for foreign institutional investors, increasing the influence of the yuan in the global commodity pricing system. The Shanghai Futures Exchange has also proposed allowing foreign currencies to be used as collateral for trade settled in yuan. These moves are seen as incremental steps towards encouraging global investors to use the yuan. But what does this mean for the US dollar? Well, some analysts believe that China's efforts could potentially erode the dollar's dominance in international trade and finance. The yuan has already become one of the most widely used currencies in global payments, accounting for around 2.9% of transactions by value. However, it's worth noting that the US dollar still remains the dominant currency, with a whopping 48.5% share of global payments. And while China's efforts to promote the yuan are significant, some experts argue that the country still has a long way to go in terms of building trust and stability in its financial system. As we explore this story further, it's essential to consider the potential implications for investors and businesses around the world. Will China's push for the yuan lead to increased volatility in currency markets? And how might this impact your investment portfolio? We'll be discussing these questions and more in upcoming segments, but for now, let's take a closer look at the numbers behind China's de-dollarization efforts. According to data from SWIFT, the yuan's share of global payments has been steadily increasing over the past few years, although it still lags behind other major currencies like the euro. As we continue to monitor this story, one thing is clear: the landscape of international finance is evolving rapidly, and investors need to stay informed to make smart decisions. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're exploring the latest developments in technology, economy, and innovation. In our previous segment, we delved into the world of cybersecurity and the importance of protecting your digital assets. Now, let's shift our focus to a fascinating story about the upcoming 25 Global Digital Economy Conference, also known as DDEC 2025. This conference is set to take place in Beijing and will bring together over 300 international guests from more than 50 countries, including major international organizations such as the World Trade Organization, BRICS, and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The event aims to promote global digital transformation, foster mutual trust, and cross-border cooperation among cities across technological, economic, and cultural domains. One of the exciting aspects of DDEC 2025 is its focus on cutting-edge technological innovation. The conference will feature a signature program called First Launch, First Showcase, which will spotlight groundbreaking technologies, products, and solutions. Additionally, the event will debut a 6,000 square meter digital economy experience center, utilizing ADC and metaverse technologies to create an immersive, interactive space, offering engaging digital entertainment experiences. The conference also aims to drive innovation through specialized forums focusing on emerging competitive tracks such as AI integration, digital security, data elements, and digital healthcare. Furthermore, a digital economy innovation competition will be launched, centered on internationalization, specialization, and industrialization, with a new category, the IC Creator Track, to advance the application and implementation of AI in traditional artistic settings. It's worth noting that DEC 2025 has partnered with the United Nations Development Program for the first time, launching the collaboration project UNDP Digital Friendliness and Sustainable Innovation Lab for the digital economy. This partnership aims to promote China's approach to global digital transformation and collaborate closely with international events such as the Mobile World Congress Barcelona 2025 and Germany's Futuro Multi-Conference and Festival. As we consider the implications of DDEC 2025, it's essential to recognize both the opportunities and challenges that come with rapid digitalization. On one hand, the conference has the potential to drive innovation, foster global cooperation, and enhance economic growth. On the other hand, there are concerns about data security, job displacement, and the digital divide. Ultimately, the success of DEC 2025 will depend on its ability to balance these competing interests and create a framework for sustainable and inclusive digital development. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the digital economy, it's crucial to stay informed and engaged in the conversations shaping our future. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone, where we dive into the world of finance and explore the latest trends and developments. As we wrap up today's show, I'd like to shift our focus to the rapidly evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. We've got two interesting stories to share with you, both featuring Bitget, a leading cryptocurrency exchange and Web3 company. First, let's take a look at their recent appearance at the Peru Blockchain Conference 2025, where they shone as a silver sponsor. It's clear that Bitget is committed to advancing crypto education and adoption across Latin America, a region that's seen significant growth in digital asset adoption. Bitget's engagement with attendees at the conference was impressive, with a high-traffic exhibition booth showcasing their suite of trading products and Web3 ecosystem offerings. They also hosted a VIP welcome gathering, strengthening relationships with key stakeholders, fintech entrepreneurs, and regional partners. And, through two expert-led presentations, they made significant educational contributions to the conference, exploring topics such as the evolving role of centralized exchanges in supporting crypto adoption and the use of trading bots to improve trading performance. But that's not all. Bitget also made headlines with their presence at the ETHMLN conference, where they highlighted their commitment to driving adoption and advancing crypto education. It's worth noting that the company has been expanding its reach across Europe, operating under increasing regulatory clarity, including licenses in Italy, Lithuania, Georgia, and several other markets. Now, as we consider these developments, it's essential to maintain a fair and balanced perspective. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, and it's crucial to approach any investment with caution. However, it's also important to recognize the potential for growth and innovation in this space. As we close out today's Riskwiser Zone, I'd like to leave you with some food for thought. The world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is constantly evolving, and companies like Bitget are playing a significant role in shaping its future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the possibilities of digital assets, it's essential to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, invest with caution.